So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Can't wait to eat this cupcake. Whoa, have you ever had a cupcake before? They are so yummy, yeah, and very sweet. I only eat a cupcake after I eat a nice, healthy meal. Whoa, hey, wait a second. Why don't you and I draw a cupcake together? First, let's start with the color pink. Yeah, maybe some strawberry frosting or raspberry. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, and frosting so much it's dripping. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, that looks pretty yummy, right? Okay, now let's use the color brown, and then we'll draw what it goes into. Yeah, the paper. Yeah, you peel that down, and then you can eat the cupcake. And there we go. Whoa, kind of looks like it could be a chocolate cupcake, or maybe vanilla. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, does that look yummy? Whoa, how about we draw some sprinkles? So let's take some orange. Whoa, there we go, orange sprinkles. Maybe some green sprinkles. Boop, 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 boop. And maybe some blue sprinkles. Beep, 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 pew, pew. Whoa, that was so much fun, drawing a cupcake together. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Blippi, come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the chocolate bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny-weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No? But it'll be fun. It's chocolate bar Debo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike, and I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye.